Are you struggling to make your footage look more cinematic and your videos look like this? In this video I will show you a very simple technique how to get from this to this. So let's transform your boring videos into cinematic visuals right now. Hi guys, my name is Philip from Freeze Frame and I have been a filmmaker for more than 8 years now. I will be working in DaVinci Resolve, but you can do this in any editing software. Oh god, I almost forgot to record my screen. Alright, we are recording now. Before we do anything else, we have to set up our project. So go to project settings, color management, and here you need to set up the timeline color space and output color space. Here, DaVinci White Gamut Intermediate, and here Rec 709A if you are on a Mac. If you are on Windows, Rec 709 Gamma 2.4. So I will put Rec 709A. This is the final footage and this is before without the masks applied. It's pretty significant change. I also have another tricks in my sleeves that I will reveal today, so stick till the end. And I will show you straight from the beginning how I made this look. I will be making a little bit of a lazy edit, how I color grade when I don't have time or it is just not that important and I need quick, really good look. First of all, I start with my color space transform. This was shot on a Blackmagic Pocket 4K, so White Gamut 4/5, Blackmagic Design Film Gen 5, Rec 709, Rec 709A, and this is it. We have our Rec 709A footage. First of all, what I like to do, color correct it a little bit. So bring up the exposure on the HDR wheels a little bit, add a little bit of a contrast. Okay, this is our exposure node, our white balance node here. It's a bit green because I was shooting this on a Helios 85mm. That is a vintage lens, really nice bokeh as you can see. So I will push it a little bit more towards blue maybe, and here a little bit more to magenta. Right now it looks much better. After that, I usually do my saturation. Easy enough, really quick, really easy and really good looking saturation. You go to HDR wheels and here just pull up the saturation. I can see on the skin tones that it's maybe too much magenta, so pull it down a bit. Alright, so I have my neutral look ready. And then I apply my LUT. I will put another node after the color space transform, that is very important. Here I have 10 LUTs from Freeze Frame and we offer one for free. Check the link in the description below if you like this color grade. You can achieve the same look as I do right now with this one free LUT. Alright, so I will apply the LUT, bang! And you can see straight away it makes the colors very nice, autumn vibes, love it. Here we have the LUT, label it so we know what it is. So this was one of my magic tricks using a film look LUT, and right now the one that you are all waiting for, the masks. And right now I'll just put another node here, call it vignette, not vignetter, vignette, perfecto, and I will do just a basic shape of a vignette. Invert it, and here in the HDR wheels just drop it down a little. And one special sauce that I like to use, especially with those vintage lenses and with like stylish look, type here a radial blur, bang. This is a bit too much, but you can do this swirly bokeh effect and it's really nice. You can achieve it also with some vintage lenses, but you can even emphasize this with this technique even more. And you can see what it does. Already pretty big difference, but we are not finished. Another node, let's call this one dark. Alright, right now we want to focus more on our subject. So pick a mask, depends only on you which one you want. Make it bigger and softer. Invert it again and make it even more darker, so our subject will pop up even more. But we are still not finished. Make another node, label it bright, so just copy and paste, but you need to go back to your mask, turn off the invert, go to HDR wheels, reset the HDR wheels, and right now boost it up a bit, and you can see it's making our subject pop a little bit more. And also what I like to use is this mid detail and just pump it up a bit for a better contrast and better sharpening, and bang, and it's not dark, it's bright. And right now what you can do, take these 3 nodes and create compound node so it doesn't bother you, and rename it masks. And right now we can see before and after, before and after. It makes your subject pop out of the frame really nicely, and you don't have to use it only on people. Here I have another example. It's just I'll be holding an old camera, and here I have the masks compound node, and pretty big difference again. So you can see it's pretty simple technique, but very, very effective, and it makes a big difference. I love it. If you also love it, hit the like button, subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to get your free LUT in the description below, and follow Freeze Frame.